Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, you will understand the process of restricting a user from the dashboard or certain tiles in dashboard based on their user role. In your business, you must be having a variety of employees performing different kinds of tasks such as data entry, accounting updation, inventory maintenance, and others. So, based on the user roles, you can restrict the users from accessing the dashboard or certain tiles as needed. What's more, you can also allow users to access the dashboard if they are restricted from using it. For instance, by default, the data entry users are disallowed from accessing the dashboard. Let's see how to allow data entry to access the dashboard. Press Alt+K, go to User Roles and press Enter. Press Enter on Data Entry. Under Disallow the following facilities, you can see that the data entry users are disallowed from accessing the dashboard. Under Type of Access, select End of List. Press Ctrl+A to save. And then accept the security level screen. So, the data entry users now have the access to dashboard. Although you want the data entry users to access dashboard, you might want to restrict or disallow them from accessing one or more tiles. For instance, you do not want them to access assets/liability as it contains financial information of your business. Press Alt+K, go to User Roles and press Enter. Press Enter on Data Entry. Under Disallow the following facilities. Select Full Access under Type of Access. Under List of Reports, type or select Assets/liabilities. The word tile in the bracket specifies that it is a tile in the dashboard. Now, select End of List and press Enter. Press Ctrl+A to save. And then accept the security level screen. Now, let's load the company using username and password of a data entry user. Press Alt+G. Type or select Dashboard and press Enter. As you can see, with the username and password of a data entry user, you can view the dashboard. However, you cannot view the Assets/liabilities tile. You can see the text No Access Allowed in the Assets/liabilities tile. Moreover, if you try to add the Assets/liabilities tile after pressing Alt+A, then you will view the No Access Allowed message. Similarly, you can restrict or disallow and allow any other user to access the dashboard or a specific tile as per your requirement. Thank you. To know more about TallyPrime features, visit help.tallysolutions.com. Subscribe to the Tally Solutions channel for the latest videos.